Hello everybody, I'm Nirisha and welcome back to my channel. So whether you are a starting professional or you're going to get married soon or you have no idea what makeup products to invest in, then this video is for you. The makeup products that I'm going to recommend in this video are tried and tested by me, and these are my personal favorites, and I've used all of them today on my face, so you can see the finished product looks quite good. If you have any more questions, please put them in the comment section below. And yes, all of these products are affordable. Just remember that affordable is a relative term. For somebody 100 rupees might be affordable, for somebody 2000 might be affordable, but these all are below 700 I think, so that is pretty much affordable. So let's start with the foundation first. When it comes to a foundation, the shade match, the coverage and the finish matters. So I like to go for matte finish foundations. If you want more of a not so matte foundation, you can always use a moisturizer 5 minutes before you apply makeup, or you can use a dewy primer before you apply foundations, and that way you can convert a matte foundation into a very comfortable finish foundation that you like. So for me, I really like to go for my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. As you guys know, these I think have 14-15 shades available in India, and that is really important. Selecting your shade is very important. But today I've used my Maybelline Superstay foundation. This one is more of a full coverage foundation, and this one is a medium coverage, natural sort of a look, good for everyday office wear, that sort of a look. Both of these have a really good staying power. The Fit Me foundation comes for 575 and this one comes for 750. It's a little bit expensive, but the stay and coverage is more than Fit Me. And I use Sun Beach shade in both of these. Now when it comes to blending a foundation, I always like to go for a sponge. I personally don't like using brushes. I don't think brushes give the kind of finish the sponges give. So I go for a sponge, and this is Puna store Complexion Miracle Sponge. This is a really good product, comes for only 200 rupees. It's available on Amazon too. I'm not sure if it is available on Nykaa. I'll give the link in the description box below for all of these products. Now after the foundation, let's talk about a concealer. And guys, in my opinion, nothing can beat the kind of finish this concealer gives. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer and HD Concealer. And my shade is Creamy Beige. Actually, Creamy Beige is a little bit lighter shade for me. I like to highlight my under eyes, but I think Pure Beige is a great match for me. It just wasn't available at that time, but if you're also of my complexion, you can get the Pure Beige shade in this. I think it comes for 595 rupees or so, and it's a really great concealer. It won't settle into your fine lines. It'll just make your under eyes look really smooth. And if you have that problem that you put a concealer and after 30 minutes or 1 hour your under eyes start looking grayish or blackish, then this will definitely fix that. So give this a try. Now as soon as you put the concealer, it's important to set the concealer, and I'm really loving this Faces Canada Go Chic powder. So this is a pressed powder, and the shade that I use is Natural, and I think this shade can work for most of the complexions because it gives a very natural soft finish. It's a really nice powder. Now let's talk about eye makeup. So guys, I have already talked about what brushes you should use, and I'll put the link of that video in the description box if you're interested. So today I'm not going to waste my time talking about brushes. So this eyeshadow palette that I recently bought, this is Makeup Revolution's Iconic Vitality palette. This is Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette. I think it came for 650 rupees or so on Nykaa. It is for 850, but on hokemakeup.com it is for 650 rupees, and it's an amazing palette, especially if you're a beginner. So one of the best things about this palette is that it has shimmery shades. It has a black shade. Generally palettes don't have a black shade. Then this has transition shades too. This has pink shades too. So you can create different looks like smoky eyes or natural sort of eyes. So today I've used only 2 shades. I have used this shade and this shade today for my eyes, and you can create a very natural look with it. So this is a really great palette. Now another great use for this palette, or any eyeshadow palette which has a brown or black shade is that you can use it to fill your eyebrows. So what I like to do is that I just take this slanted brush. This is actually an eyeliner brush. So I just take a little bit of this black or brown or whatever shade you want to create and just fill it in your eyebrows. So when you are a beginner, you can't really afford to invest in different products, and you really don't have to invest into different products. With makeup, you can really multitask. It's all about colors and color combinations. Now let's talk about eyeliners. Now if you're a beginner, I would really suggest you to go for a gel eyeliner. That's my personal opinion. I find them easy to work with. I still cannot work with a liquid eyeliner because I just cannot control the tip of it, you know. I have used the Lakme liquid eyeliner. It just gets everywhere because that tip is not that you know, it's not that easy to work with. But with the gel eyeliner, you can use a very pointed brush and create different looks very easily because it works like a pen. So that is there. And I really like using this Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil to create my you know, Kohal or Kajal line. Now to get thick long lashes, you can always use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is available on Nykaa again, and it is a really great product, one of the best mascaras out there. It curls your lashes, it gives volume to them, and it also lengthens your lashes. So this one is a great buy. I'll just give you a close-up of how this mascara looks. Now let's talk about the contour, blush and highlight. Now for my contour, I've recently started using this Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the shade C15 and it's a really dark shade of contour. Dusky skin people or even chocolate skin people can use this concealer. And this has a great applicator too, so you can just carve out your cheekbones and blend them easily. This is easily blendable. Again, I think comes for $6.95 or so. It's available on Hoke Makeup too, and it's available on Nykaa too. I've used this today to contour my cheekbones, and I really love this product. For my blush, I like to go for this Coloressence Satin Smooth Blusher. This is in the shade SH8. I think they have like 10 or so shades in these blushes, so you have a great variety to choose from. And as the name suggests, it's a really smooth blush, blends easily. And I'll just show you how this shade looks like. Now if you're not a fan of pink blushes, this is a little bit on the purplish pink side, but it looks really nice. I really like it. And if you're not a fan of pink blushes, then I would suggest to go for Wet n Wild Mellow Wine Blush. Now let's talk about the highlight. So guys, nowadays there are so many highlight options available. I think Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter is there, then Wet n Wild Rose Petals highlighter is there, which is good for Indian skin tone. And but you know what, I have found that in real life a very blinding highlight looks very artificial and very unnatural. So what I generally like doing is that I just take any golden shade from an eyeshadow palette and I just slightly dust it on the top of my cheekbones, and as you can see that it gives a very nice subtle glow, which I really like. But if you're a makeup lover and you really want to go for a different highlighter, I would suggest you to go for Wet n Wild's Rose Petals highlighter. It gives a glow, like a natural from within sort of a glow. So that is really good. Then PAC baked highlighters are also good. And I think MAC Soft and Gentle is also good. But then MAC you're not going to use if you're a beginner. But what I like doing, as I said, I just take a little bit of this and just dust it off wherever I want to, and it works great. For lipsticks, there are tons of options available. There are so matte lipsticks, there are ultra matte lipsticks, there are not so matte lipsticks, there are well, satiny lipsticks, satiny matte lipsticks. But two of my absolute favorites are these. So this one is the Colorbar Velvet Matte Lipstick. And this is the shade All Fired Up. I'll just show you how this shade looks. This is a gorgeous red color and one of my absolute favorite colors. and this is a velvety matte. This has a satiny matte sort of a finish. Sorry, not velvety matte, like velvety satiny matte finish, and it's not very harsh on your lips. It's not going to dry your lips. And today I've used this Give Me Mocha color by Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipsticks. So this is sort of like a nude color. Just a minute. So yes, Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick shades are really unique. I've already reviewed them in another video. I'll put that video in the description box too. Some of these products I've already reviewed one by one. Whichever I've reviewed, I'll put them in the description box down below if you want to know more. So I guess that's about it in today's video. If you have any more questions, you know you can always put them in the comment section below and I'll answer. I'll get back to you. And also guys, I love that you're giving me so many suggestions these days, and I am working on all of your suggestions. Don't worry, those videos will be uploaded soon. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What you're waiting for? And until the next video, please take care and bye. Mwah.